Hello, everyone. You know, when trading meme coins, it's easy to get carried away. One moment of distraction can cost you dearly. I've been there too. It's normal, markets move fast and unpredictably, so I thought there must be a way to improve without losing money every time. When you trade, you often learn the hard way. Each mistake, each hesitation costs you money. Whether you're scalping or swing trading, every error directly impacts your portfolio. Frustrating, right? Like you have to be perfect from the start. So I developed PulsePaper. It's not magic, just a very easy to install Chrome extension that lets you trade on Axiom with a virtual wallet. You trade exactly under real conditions but without any risk. In short, you can practice freely, test different strategies, and understand how you react to the market. Replay your trades, analyze successes and mistakes, and gradually improve your skills. So how do you get started? It's really simple. To install PulsePaper, just go to the Chrome Web Store, search for PulsePaper, and click Add to Chrome. Once PulsePaper is installed, just head back to your Axiom tab and refresh the page. The activation window will pop up automatically. All you need to do is create your free account using your email. It takes less than a minute. You'll get instant access to the plugin and a 48-hour free license to test everything out in real conditions, totally risk-free. Every time you make a trade, you clearly see your entry and exit points marked on screen. On the main page, you immediately see your current balance, invested amount, and your profits or losses displayed as PNL. You can easily adjust your trading settings. By default, you have 10 Sol in your virtual wallet, but you can freely modify this amount here. In the Buy-Sell tab, you adjust your buy and sell settings exactly as in Axiom's instant mode. In the Fees tab, you can modify transaction fees and slippage to closely match real market conditions. Finally, the Performance tab shows a complete history of your trades, ranked from best to worst. You can export this data to refine and optimize your strategy. With PulsePaper, you'll quickly feel the difference. More confidence, better timing, and above all, much less stress. PulsePaper is your personal training ground, where every mistake becomes a valuable lesson without ever costing you a penny. PulsePaper gave me peace of mind. Now I know I can practice without pressure before risking real money. Honestly, it completely changed my approach to trading. Combined with tools like Twitter Tracker, I've even been able to spot genuinely winning patterns. If you also want to improve your skills, just take 2 minutes to install PulsePaper. You can start today, commitment free. The plugin link is available right in the description. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. For more info, check out pulsepaper.xyz. You'll find the link in the description. Drop your questions or comments below and stay tuned for more trading tools. See you soon.